Welcome back to Country Made Simple. This is going to be an awesome episode that is just talking about mayonnaise. When you run out and it's in the cupboard, it can be devastating for your potato salad or your sandwiches, or even having a simple tuna salad. So when you run out, don't panic. If you've got 4 simple ingredients, we can make it in a snap. Here's how you do it. Main situation is having a room temperature egg. It's very, very important. If it is refrigerated, you need to bring it to room temperature because it will not emulsify correctly. Always crack it in a separate container whenever you're using eggs. You have to have this whole. We don't want that egg yolk broken. So you simply crack it like so. And this is the first thing. The second is you're going to want a wide mouth jar, mason jar, ball jar, whatever. Just a wide mouth is going to be important, and our ever-present immersion blender, stick blender. This thing is like your best friend when it comes to blending and pureeing really anything that you have that you need to get in a hot broth or things like this. I love, love, love my immersion blender. So first we're going to do is we're going to add our egg. And again, we want to be really careful not to break that yolk. So now we're adding to that 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. You can squeeze your lemon. It's about a half of a medium-sized lemon. Will give you a tablespoon. So we pop that right in. Now we're going to do something a little unusual. This is, you normally will add like a Dijon mustard or even just a prepared regular yellow mustard. We're using a horseradish mustard. This one has a little bit of extra kick to it, and we want to do a teaspoon of this. So let's pop out. So it's a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of your prepared mustard. Pop that right in. Now we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt. Really doesn't matter what kind of salt. You can use sea salt, you can use regular ionized salt, or canning salt. It really doesn't matter. So we're going to take a little bit of that just for seasoning. Now the most important element outside of the egg is going to be the type of oil that you're using. Most of the commercial brands that you buy like this is full of soybean oil. Soybean oil is not the best for your arteries, it's not the best for your health. It's always better to go with a lighter type of oil, which this is a light tasting olive oil. It's a cup that you're putting into this. Sounds like a lot. It's really not for as little as you're using in most cases. And this is gonna, exactly what's going in to your mayonnaise that your family is going to be eating, and you're going to be sharing with others. So we put the oil straight in, and once it's in, we're going to take the stick blender. Now it's really important. You're going to see the bottom of the stick blender has your little blade on it. You're going to want to cover that yolk. So once you put it down in it, you're going to cover the yolk, and then you want to do this on high. You're going to have 2 buttons on most of your stick blenders. The top one's a low, the bottom one's a high. So you're just going to start blending. You see how fast it starts to emulsify? And then you start pulling it up. Okay, don't do it too long because you can break it and you don't want it to break. But you do want it to be that consistency. That's it. Pretty fast, pretty easy. Less than a minute, and you already have homemade mayonnaise. I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think. Thank you for coming and spending time with us at Country Made Simple. We will have a YouTube channel here very quickly, so please subscribe. I need your subscriptions and to tell your friends. Thank you, thank you. See you soon.